Hello, Year 2. So this week we're going to be working on place value, and I've recorded these short videos before each task, so you can watch these. We're going to do some questions together. I'll give some examples and then you'll have a go, and it's just a really good chance for you to make sure that you're really secure now that we've been away from school for quite a long time. So a bit of teaching, and then you can go off and do the independent task that's on the sheet where you clicked on this link in your book. So let's get going. Today we're looking at reading and writing numbers up to 100. So we're going to write these numbers first of all as numerals with digits. So 27, again, we got 27. Think about our 2 10s and our 7 1s. 50, I need to think really carefully about this. Think about my 10s and my 1s. Well, I've got 5 10s, but then no 1s, and I need that placeholder there, that 0. If I just had 5 like that, well, that would just be the number 5, wouldn't it? So I need that placeholder to show me it's 50. And then 15 is 1 10 and 5 1s. It's 5 and 10. That teen means 10. And if you think about if you've got older brothers or sisters, the teenagers are from 13 up until 19. So it's that there's numbers between 10 and 20. Sometimes people get 15 and 50 muddled up. They get their teens and their T's muddled up. So you're now going to have a go. So on a piece of paper or in your book, you can write down these numbers now as numerals. You're going to pause this video, and then as soon as you've done those, unpause, and then we'll go through the answers together. So pause the video now, and then unpause as soon as you're done. Okay, let's have a look together. So 72, hopefully you got 7 10s, 2 1s, 60. Again, I need that 0 in the 1s column to show me that I've got no 1s and no 1s. And then 16 again is that 6 and 10. So 1 10, 6 1s, 16. Okay, now we're going to write these numerals as words. So I'm going to read them first. Well, 54, if I read the number out loud, I can really clearly hear how it's supposed to be pronounced. And I just need to remember there's this little hyphen in the middle of these two words, 54, joining them together. I've put in this just because, remember, between 10 and 20, we've got some slightly strange numbers. So English is quite unhelpful, really, in the way it arranges its numbers. So this number is 11. Then we've got 13, and then finally 30. So again, just noticing that difference between 13, 10 and 3, and 30, 3 10s and 0 1s. So now it's your turn. Have a go, write these in words, then pause the video and unpause once you're done to check your answers. So you've had a go, let's have a look together. Well, we've got 73. Again, don't forget this little hyphen here in between the two numbers. 12 is just one we've got to know. 16, and then 6 10s is the same as 6t. So that's it for this short lesson. If you're still stuck in any of these, you can go back over them or ask an adult for a little bit of help, but now go back to your independent task, have a go at all the questions, and then you can self-mark the answers all on the next page once you've had a go. And don't forget, you can post a picture of your marked work onto Class Dojo, and your teacher will give you some extra Class Dojo points for all of the great effort you've been putting in.